Namaste. I, J.V.N. Gaurav Goyal from the Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics (FPD) in the Department of Diagnostic and Community Health in the discipline of Radiology. Today, in the Jayoti Vidyapith Women's University, Jaipur. Today we are going to discuss on the session about brachytherapy and the types of brachytherapy, interstitial, intracavitary, and surface mold. So this session is from a course Radiotherapy, third in the BSc fifth sixth sem. Let me discuss about the brachytherapy. Brachytherapy is a type of radiation therapy used to treat cancer involving a placement of a radioactive source or material either temporarily or permanently directly inside the body. That is the interstitial radiotherapy. Unlike external beam radiotherapy, which delivers an external radiation source to healthy tissue from the outside, the brachytherapy delivers the radioactive dose directly within or adjacent to the tumor from the inside. The theory behind brachytherapy is to deliver low intensity radiation over an extended period or to a relatively small volume of tissue. The low intensity isotopes are placed directly into a tissue or cavity, depositing radiation only a short distance covering the tumor area but sparing surrounding normal tissue. This technique allows a higher total dose of radiation to be delivered to the tumor than is achievable with external beam radiation. In the history, first use of brachytherapy, Marie Curie suggested to Henry Alexander Danlos that radioactivity could be used to treat cancer. Danlos tested the idea and found that radiation caused cancer tumors to just shrink. Early techniques of brachytherapy were pioneered at the Curie Institute in Paris by Danlos and Saint Luke and Memory Hospital in New York by the surgeon called Robert Abe. Clinical application. Brachytherapy can be used in combination with other therapies such as surgery, external beam radiotherapy, or chemotherapy, particularly when the tumor is too large or is not easily accessible. The brachytherapy has been most widely applied in the treatment of first is cervical, prostate, breast, and skin cancer. Brachytherapy can also be used to treat tumors in several other body sites. Body sites in which brachytherapy can be used to treat cancer. First one is the breast in the female, and uterus, cervix, vagina, vulva. These are the sites at which the brachytherapy treatment is performed. And a nail, and there is a prostate, penis, brain, eye, lip, mouth, tongue, nasopharynx, oropharynx, trachea, bronchi, lungs, skin, bile duct, and other bladder, urethra. These are the sites where the brachytherapy is used in male. Types of brachytherapy. There are brachytherapy can be categorized according to three main factors. First one is the source placement, second one is the treatment duration, and the third one is the dose rate. These are the three factors that divides the brachytherapy is mainly based on these three factors. According to the source placement, interstitial, the source are placed directly in the target tissue of the affected site, such as the prostate or breast. Contact involves placement of the radiation source in a space next to the target tissue. Next one is the intracavitary, a body cavity such as cervix, uterus, or vagina. Intraluminal, a body lumen such as the trachea or esophagus. Surface mold externally such as the skin, intravascular in blood vessels. According to treatment duration, there are two types of sources: temporary or permanent. Dose is delivered over a short period of time, and the source are removed after the prescribed dose has been reached. The specific treatment duration will depend on many different factors, including the required rate of dose delivery and the type, size, and the location of the cancer. Permanent, also known as seed implantation, involves placing small LDR low dose rate radioactive seeds or pellets about the size of grain of rice in the tumor or treatment site and leaving them there permanently to gradually decay. According to the dose rate, there are many types of brachytherapy like LDR, low dose rate. Second one is the MDR, medium dose rate. Third one is the HDR, high dose rate. Fourth one is the PDR, pulse dose rate. First one, low dose rate. So, low dose rate emit radiation at a rate of 0.4 to 2 gray per hour. Commonly used for cancers of the oral cavity, oropharynx, sarcomas, and prostate cancer. Next one is the oral cavity, oropharynx, sarcomas, and prostate cancer. Next one is the medium dosage. Medium dosage characterized by a medium rate of dose delivery ranging between 2 to 12 gray per hour. In the low dose rate, there will 0.222 gray per hour, and the medium dose rate 2 to 12 gray per hour. High dose rate, when the rate of dose delivery exceeds 20 gray per hour. Pulse dose rate involves short pulses of radiation, typically once an hour, to stimulate the overall rate and effectiveness of the LDR treatment. LDR. Okay, so these are we discussed about the type of the brachytherapy routine. So the requirement of brachytherapy source. The source should emit monoenergetic gamma rays, or ideal energy is about 0.2 to 0.4 MeV. These are the properties or characteristics of brachytherapy source. So as to avoid differential absorption, the beta energy should be low to decrease the sheeting thickness. The half-life is low for permanent implants. It should be higher for temporary implants to avoid decay during treatment and the frequent replacement. It should less costly. It should be less costly. It should be non-toxic. So should be non-toxic and inert chemically in body fluid. Next one is the properties. Specific activity should be high. Okay, so these are the properties. These are the properties of the brachytherapy sources. Okay, so these are the properties of the brachytherapy sources. So now we are discussing about the surface mold. What is surface mold? Molds are made up to exactly fit into the surface to be treated. The sources are safely positioned on the outer surface of the mold. So the work of the surface mold is to make a flat make a surface of treatment is flat. So the distribution of dose is equal in uh, all in whole skin or whole treatment area. The distance between the source to skin surface is 0.5 to 1 centimeter. The dosimetry and distribution rules are similar to the interstitial implant. Plastic, wax, and dental impression compound are used to prepare mold. Plastic, wax, and dental impression compound are used to prepare molds. Okay, so these are the material that is used to prepare mold in the interstitial. Now we are going to discuss about the interstitial implant. In the interstitial implant, the radioactive source are inserted directly in the tissue. There are two types of implants, namely temporary and permanent implants. In the case of permanent implant, the source are left permanently in the implanted tissue. A temporary implant is one in which is one in which the source are removed after source are removed after the source are removed after the desired dose has been delivered. Okay, temporary implant provides better control of dose distribution. Better control of dose distribution. It is the one-time procedure preferred for tumors of abdominal and thoracic cavities. The implants can be done as single plane or two plane or volume implants. A single plane can effectively irradiate tissue of 1 centimeter thick and two planes up to 2.5 centimeter thick. The volume implant is suitable for tissue of thickness greater than 2.5 centimeters. So in this session we had discussed about the history, about the development of brachytherapy units, brachytherapy treatment unit, or in this session we had discussed about the surface mold and interstitial implant or interstitial brachytherapy in which permanent implant that we had discussed, and the properties of the brachytherapy source. So it is the information is very much important for radiotherapy course in BSc RT 6M, and the BSc RT 6M student will get a great knowledge about the brachytherapy after viewing the video. I think you are satisfied with this session. If you have any queries, then put it into the comment box. I will resolve it later. Thank you. The session is over. This session is powered by WPH version 2.0 JVW chapter.